The floating market. Lamai is a young girl who lives in Thailand. This article describes her daily trips to a floating market. Huh? In that market, what are there? In that market, boats are there. Okay, people are selling things in boats, or not? So what is telling? Lamai, a young girl who lives in Thailand. This article describes her daily trips. Daily trips. Where is your pencil? Daily trips to a floating market. In Thailand, life outside the cities is quite different from life in these cities. Okay. So life outside the cities is quite different from life in the cities. Okay. People live on farms and grow their own vegetables or buy them fresh. Okay. Grow their own vegetables. ସେମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜର ଇଏ ଲଗାନ୍ତି or buy them fresh. Okay. ସେ ନହେଲେ fresh କିଣନ୍ତି ହେଲା every day from the local market. The market here is not in a building. Okay, not in a building. It is a floating market located on a river. So you have to go to a river. People travel in their boats on the river, buying and selling almost everything, almost anything. So they buy and also some people come and sell, some people come and they buy. Lamai and her family live on a farm. Okay, live on a farm. ताମାନେ तांका फार्म रो से बंचंती. फार्म रे जहा हबो ताको बिकिगिरी बंचंती. Right? Live on. They grow fruits and vegetables and sell them at the market each day. सबुदिन जाएगी बिकंती. The family's day starts at 3 a.m. सकाळ 3टा. Long before the sun comes up. Hello? Long before the sun comes up. Lamai and her brother help their parents. Okay? So long before the sun comes up, sun asini, sakala heini, Lamai and her brother asanti, help their parents. They pick fruits and vegetables and clean them. ସେମାନେ pick ମାନେ ତୋଳନ୍ତି ହେଲା fruits and vegetables and clean them ତାକୁ ସେ ସଫା କରନ୍ତି. Then they load everything into a long boat. ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ boat ରେ ତାକୁ load କରନ୍ତି. Load into. Okay, a long boat called Ruila Pais. Okay, their boat is ready by about 6 a.m. Okay, 6ଟା ଭିତରେ ରେଡି ହେଇଯାଏ. 3ଟା ବେଳୁ ଉଠିଲେଣି ଏତେ କାମ କଲେଣି ତାପରେ 6ଟା ଭିତରେ. Lamai's father and brother stay on the farm. ହେଲା father ଆଉ brother stay ମାନେ ରୁହନ୍ତି on the farm to work. काम करे बोली रुहती. While Lamai and her mother row माने डोंगा चलती. Lamai and her mother row to the closest floating market. Okay, से पाखो को जानती market को. वो कौन करेगी रो करेगी डोंगा चलेगी. On the way, the water is still and peaceful. Okay, water still माने स्थिर. जो बाट दे जानती water is still. Lamai sees the bright sun beginning to shine. Lamai देखे कौन छटा पर आसला पर ब्राइट सन आसे सन ओके सनराइज हुए ओके बिगिनिंग टू शाइन they now have no time to lose they have to go and sell they cannot waste the time okay Lamai hears people laughing and shouting in the distance माने दूर लोक मैंने से पर्यंत जाई ना जाउछंती लमाई हियर्स से सुने पीपल लाफिंग एंड शाउटिंग इन द डिस्टेंस केमती लोक मैंने शाउट करचंती लाफ करचंती सून द साउंड्स ग्रो लाउडर आकु पळे आसंती तेणु साउंड लाउडर हो जाए हां कि नहीं और मदर रोज द बोट अराउंड ए कॉर्नर ओके मदर कौन करे रोज दी बोट माने डंगा चलाए सडनली दे आर एट दी फ्लोटिंग मार्केट सडनली माने देखला हमको सांग सांगे से फ्लोटिंग मार्केट में पहुंच गए दे आर एट दी फ्लोटिंग मार्केट आठ रे hundreds of boats are gathered at a wide place that is a wide place बहुत चौड़ा जगह in the river merchants call out माने डाक छाड़ती जोर रे जो माने buy and sell things एटा कहते merchants call out जोर डाक छाड़ती what they have to sell कौन बिकियार अच्छी people go from one seller to another in their boats they buy fruits at one boat and fresh bread at another गोटे बोट रे one boat रे कौन करंती buy fruits and fresh bread at another they buy fruits at one boat गोटे बोट रे जाई fruits किनंती खाली fruits मिले सेठी हला and they buy fruits they buy fresh bread at another Lamai's mother will sell bananas कौन से बिके फ्रूट्स बिकती हमें देखते फ्रूट्स तो से कौन से लमाई मदर विल सेल कौन सेल करिवो से विल सेल करिवो कौन करिवो बनानास राइट टमाटोज अदर वेजिटेबल्स टुडे she hopes her mother will buy or some star fruit later star fruit किणी करी आनिबे ओके स्टार फ्रूट किणी करी आनिबे से के किणीबो ता मदर किणीबो सी होप सो से आशा करछु ना लमाई दे आर लमाईज फेवरेट दे आर स्टार फ्रूट दे माने स्टार फ्रूट are Lamai's favorite. Lamai ro favorite. For Lamai, a trip to market also means a chance to meet her friends. से जो जाऊची मार्केट को a trip to market. Trip माने हमने जो जिबाटा trip also means a chance to meet her friends. Okay, it's a chance सुजोग to meet her friends. Meet माने कौन मिटिवा Today Lamai sees her friend Suki. सेठी सुखी आसी Lamai sees Lamai देखला आज the chatter while the Lamai's mother is busy selling. She is busy selling. That's the work. Selling is a work. She is busy selling in the selling work. And the chatter, they talk to each other. Okay, chatter. के chatter माने they talk. के सुखी आउ Lamai. Okay. Busy selling her stock. जहाँ जिनसे आनी थी, ताकि stock कहती, है रखी थी. Finally, Lamai's mother is ready to leave. Leave माने छाड़ीवा. Leave माने से जगह छाड़ीवा, है Finally, last रे. Finally जानते तो last रे tomorrow ready to leave. Lamai waves goodbye. Waves माने हल्लेवा, हाथ हल्लेवा. Waves goodbye to her friend. She and her सिट्रे गारा मारिबनी. Lamai waves goodbye to her friend. She and her mother move away. एटा दी जण हे गला. तेणु move रहिला. Move सालन. किंतु लमाई वेव्स लमाई जणे थिला तेणु वेव्स हैला. सी एंड हर मदर मूव से लगी बेसी लोग कहले एटा मूव लिखा अवे टू अनदर स्पॉट टू सेल द रेस्ट ऑफ देयर स्टॉक. से आउ गोटे जगह को गले टू सेल द रेस्ट माने बाकी बळका जोटा बळीची. ऑन द वॉकवे beside the river, Lamai sees tourists buying souvenirs. Okay, souvenir माने कौन? Special event. Remember things one buys to remember a special event. Souvenir. ये जो आमे गोटे जगह को गले घर जीवा तारिणी जीवा बोली तारिणी रे मिलेनी फोटो से टिकार एटा कहते souvenir. कलरफुल पर्सेस पर्स पॉकेट टी शर्ट पेंसिल स्टैच्यू सब स्टैच्यू जानते तो सब ऑन दी वॉकवे बिसाइड द रिवर. वॉकवे माने फुटपाथ बिसाइड द रिवर. बिसाइड जानते तो माने कड़े कौन कड़े बिसाइड माने साइड पीपल किणती. लमाई सीज एगेन लमाई सीज एस लगिला. अराउंड 11 AM पीपल बिगिन टू गो होम. 11 एले एम माने केते बेले सकाळ 6 रू आइलेनी. पीपल बिगिन टू गो होम. लमाई इज ग्लैड. She is a little sleepy from waking up so early. Wake माने जानते तो उठिबा. Wake up माने उठिबा. Wake रू है working. Okay, she is a little sleepy from waking up so early. Early माने इतने सकाळ उठी. Her mother has told most of her stock. Her mother has sold. बिकी देची. Mother has sold. Okay. Most of her stock. Most बहुत बिकी देची. ता stock अब किछ अछि. They will leave the market with less food in their boat. Okay. But with more money, alpha, बेसी money धरकी जीवे, more money, but for their family, because their family live on farm जहाँ मिलिबो सेथुरु बिकिकरी से चलुचंती. Lamai's mother makes one last stop, so Lamai can buy her favorite star fruit. So Lamai mother makes yes लगला makes one last stop. पूरी जगह रहला. Then they row home. एठे yes लगला नहीं. They लगला ना. They row home. They can rest until tomorrow. Tomorrow they rest नेबे. When the work will begin again. How करे work begin हबो. Okay. So this is his book, The Floating Market.